I learned this trick in a famous restaurant, and now I only do ribs like this. I'll leave it here for 2 minutes on one side. I'll turn it over and leave it for another 2 minutes on the other side. The 2 minutes are up, and now I'm going to remove this rib from the pan. I'm going to put it here on a meat board. And I'm going to cut the pieces like this at the softest part. And we'll separate all the ribs. Once that's done, I'm going to take them one by one and coat them in wheat flour. We'll bread it all the ribs. This recipe is a spectacle of flavor. Moving on, we'll put the pork ribs in a pan of hot oil to fry. Once they're golden brown, turn them over and let them fry on the other side too. Look how delicious this is turning out. These ribs are perfect. Now that they're nicely browned, let's remove them from the pan and set them aside. After removing some of the oil, we'll add 2 tablespoons of butter to the same pan. Let the butter melt and then add 2 chopped onions. Let the onions fry for 2 minutes. Then add a teaspoon of salt, a black pepper to taste, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of paprika, and let's stir. These onions will give the meat much more flavor and tenderness. Now return the ribs to the pan. Make this recipe at home because I'm sure everyone will love it. Next, I'm going to add a little rosemary on top and then some beer. This beer will give this recipe a very special flavor. Now just put the lid on and let it cook for 20 minutes. After that time, I'll uncover the pan and add 200 milliliters of tomato sauce. Then stir and cover again. Let it cook for another 20 minutes. That's it, folks. Our pork ribs are now cooked, and I'm going to add some chopped parsley on top. Look how wonderful our ribs are. Now all you have to do is serve them up. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.